Good morning and welcome to the session where we learn success from the book Money, Sex, Power. This book is written for today's young people that they will learn the secrets of being successful. Now today is day 23 and we will learn from chapter 23 verse 1. When you sit and eat with a ruler, observe carefully what is before you. Now today when you meet the king, when you are in the presence of a ruler or a leader, you be very careful about what is around you, because you will be in the presence of a leader for a particular time, for a particular reason. Please understand, many times when you meet the king, there will be other distractions which will be there. Because you are in the presence of a king for a limited time, we have to be extremely careful of utilizing that time correctly, because some opportunities never come again in your life. So that is why it says, when you sit and eat with a ruler, you observe carefully what is in front of you. You are not to eat at that time. Eat, you can always go home and eat. But when you are sitting with a king, you are not sitting to eat with the king. You are sitting with the king for a purpose of helping him to make a decision which is right, or helping him to make a decision for your welfare or the welfare of your family. So you have to be focused on the purpose in which you come into the presence of a king. Coming into the presence of a king is something which is very sacred, which is very holy, which will not be repeated, or it can never happen in your life sometimes. It can be once in a lifetime opportunity. That's why it says, when you sit to eat with a ruler, observe carefully what is in front of you. Put a knife on your throat if you are a person who likes food. Do not crave his delicacies, for it is a food of lies. See, the food which is around a king is not the actual food which will actually help you in your life. That can be your show. That can be anything. Maybe you are with a king for a purpose of a decision making, or a purpose of friend making, of purpose of something else. So it is important that you finish your purpose in which you went in front of a king. My friends, here it says, there is a man who is just falling on those things which is in front of him, and he begins to eat. Maybe in a king's dining table there is a lot of delicacies, but the truth of the matter is, you don't go into a king's dining room to eat with the king. Every opportunity with the king is actually for a higher purpose. So my friends, look at the higher purpose and see that you accomplish that higher purpose in front of, when you are in the front of a king. Okay? Prepare certain questions to ask the king. Prepare certain answers for the king's questions. Be more humble. So my friends, if you get an audience with the king, it is the advice or the suggestion of the wisest man for you to make the maximum of it. I hope you will make a maximum of every opportunity you have with kings. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed. We will meet tomorrow, same time, at the same place. God bless you.